in my neighborhood. Welcome back to Romelda. Woo! Baby, I got one for you today. So last night, as I was channel surfing with my sling, I came across a show that I actually started watching at the beginning of the pandemic, and it's called Temptation Island. Now, I normally don't go for them type of shows. Like, I don't watch like The Bachelor and stuff like that. I don't watch no Kardashian or whatever the hell they are. I don't watch them type of things. So, me watching this show was very interesting. So, like I said, I started watching at the top of the pandemic. I found it very interesting because of the premise of the show. And that's what I'm about to tell you about. Premise of the show. 4 couples. They've come to a standstill in their relationships. They've been together for a significant amount of time, and they don't know if they want to break up or if they want to stay together. So they come to Temptation Island. Temptation Island. Temptation Island. They don't know. And on this island, their relationship is tested. So you get to meet each person and they tell you what their problem is with their relationship, and they all say the same thing. I love him so much. I love her so much. I don't know what our relationship is gonna be like, but I love them so much. The boys get a villa and the ladies get a villa. And so when you first meet the couples, they all come to like one part of the island, and what's his name? Mark Wahlberg, that's his name, but not the Mark Wahlberg, but some television host, Mark Wahlberg, man. So he sits them all down and he has a casual conversation with each couple, asking them exactly what they want to get out of this, what they're hoping to get out of it, what they're expecting kids to get out of it, and do they feel like they're going to be tested, or do they feel like their significant other is going to be tested? Okay, so that's what happens. As they're talking to the couples and the couples are discussing how they feel, as that goes on, Mark then says, now you're going to meet your singles. So here's the tea. 12 and 12, child, 24 singles, 12 men and 12 women for these 2 itty bitty girls and these 2 itty bitty boys to try to get them to basically, in a nutshell, cheat. Now they claim that it's for them to figure out if their relationship can withstand infidelity, if they've already had infidelity, or if it's a suspicion that they've had infidelity. That might be one of the reasons why they're there too, which brings me to this season's episode. So of course it's going to be a whole lot of debauchery, drinking, and doing all types of things that your mama know that you ain't supposed to be doing in public and not on television. You supposed to be doing them things behind closed doors. So brings us to this season. As I was channel surfing last night, I came upon said Temptation Island's new season. She did not disappoint. She didn't disappoint. We got our 4 couples. Jersey couple, I forget it. Alex is his name. That man is fine, Lord. He fine. So we got Alex and his little girlfriend. I ain't bothered to remember her name. And then we have the 3 couples. We have Griffin and Meg, something real basic. So we have the 4 couples, and then we got the black couple. They always got to have a black couple. They always got to have one. Because and I think it's a great idea because the look on the black woman's face. Let me explain something to you. What you don't do is play with a black woman when she's in a relationship. And she happy, and she love that person, but she just having some minor issues. Baby, don't play with her. Don't play with her. So the singles come out, and you got the couple sitting there, because the men get to see the men that are going after their women, and the women get to see the women that are going after their men. There you go, bam. So they come out, and they all, like, I guess the ones who the program is trying to push into some of these couples, to split up these couples, they come and they step forward and they say they have a little side tea that they do. So you'll have one girl that'll walk up and be like,
my name is Suzanne, and I'm a supermodel, and I'm here to win the love of my life.
Or,
my name is Greg, and I am a dentist, and I'm here to find Miss Dentist.
So this is what their intros are like. So the singles are here to find love, but they're trying to break up these happy homes. But I guess if these people was happy, they wouldn't be trying to break them up, I guess. This is where the beef starts. Cause so the singles get to look at one of the people, and like if they see one of the girls out of the 4 girls, if they like one of the 4 girls, out of the 4 girls that they like, if they see them, they'll be like, oh yeah, ooh. So they can say something to them. So you had the one guy who he saw the brunette, and I feel bad for her. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna predict that her and her boy ain't gonna make it. Because apparently he got a wandering eye. He liked to flirt real heavy in front of her, which we don't condone those types of things. No. Only Becky and Karen condone those things. Shaniqua and Shakina don't condone them things, if you get my drift. But she condones it. So I don't think they're gonna make it. But so you get this guy who he happens to be a dentist, and he's a fine little beefcake. He's from her home state. Hello. He steps up and he's a dentist, and he's like, hi, I'm so-and-so, and I'm going to make you something. And he looks dead at her, and she's like, and then her boyfriend, meanwhile, was like, he ain't nothing. I was like, oh, okay, now you jealous. See, it was cute when your ass was flirting and staying out and doing whatever you was doing, but now that she doing it, now your ass like. So then we get to the black couple. So, of course, the black boy disappoints me because instead of him doing what the rest of the men are doing and being like, baby, you ain't gotta worry. Baby, there ain't nothing. He decides that when the girls start for him, she goes, this is a sloppy one. Oh, she's so sloppy. Oh, my God. And then she tries to flirt. Now, the black girl is beautiful. She's a beautiful girl. So this girl tries to flirt. She say,
and I love my men brown.
Something really kind of corny where you're like, girl, if you don't sit your ass down somewhere. So that's what she do, flirting with the black guy. His ass going. I was like, smack the shit out of him. That's what she should have did. And we don't believe in violence. But she should have slapped the shit out of him when he was talking about that. Then the little blonde girl gonna come and be like,
hi, I'm Susanna. I'm a model. And da-da-da.
And of course, the black man again, he gonna go. Why she did not backslap this mother is on me. But what you don't know is that most of these couples have been together for a significant amount of time. Like the black couple have been together for 15 years. The Jersey couple, I call them the Jersey couple because they're so cute and they're so beautiful, and I really want them to make it. I don't want them to let outside people come in and split them up until the end of the program. And at the end of the program, you get to decide. They will bring you up, like if there's somebody that you connected with in the singles, they will bring you up to the podium and they will be like, they'll say, Michael, so are you gonna go home with Cynthia, who you came with, or are you gonna go home with your new girlfriend, Rebecca? And he gets to decide. So when I watched this mess last season, it got drama. So once they go and they get their flirt on, then, you know, they leave, they get separated into their houses. So now the episode that I saw yesterday was this opening season episode. And that episode, we had our 4 couples. And next week on Tuesday, they'll be split up. So the girls will be over there and the boys will go over there. And you don't get to see, talk to, or nothing to your significant other until the end of the situation. Until the end of Temptation Island. Baby, she cute. If y'all want some guilty pleasure TV where it's kind of mindless watching TV, where you're not really focused, but it's good and it's giving you gag moments, watch this. I've decided this time to include an outtake, not an outtake, but my reaction to watching the program because someone requested it. Someone said to me, Romelda, I would like for you to tape yourself watching these shows because I want to see what you're doing. So for the first time I take myself watching these shows, just to be clear, I'm going to look rough because I'm just sitting in the comforts of my home. So I'm going to look a little rough, got my little head wrap on, got my night clothes on watching it. But with this episode, you shall see me watching the episode and my reaction to the season 2 opening episode of Temptation Island. And go. Yes, baby. Oh, she's sloppy. Oh.
Hi, puppies. I'm Sophia, a 22-year-old makeup artist from Miami, Florida. I'm a feisty Latina, so get excited. I'm here to spice up your love life.
This girl, you better.
You're here to support this.
What is this?
Ladies? I'm Lex, 28 years old from Miami. So I flew all the way to the island to find a woman of my dreams. I'll see you sitting over there.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, fine, ain't it? Ooh. Oh, that's just tacky. Oh, that's just tacky.
I'm in person training
Hey.
to be your next boyfriend.
Come on, Shaquille. Come on, Shaquille. Get it, boo. Get it, boo.
Watch out for your dad.
No.
April Fools, but this ain't no joke, ladies, because I'm about to steal your man.
Okay, now for real, some of these little taglines y'all need to work on. Oh, he's such a little nerd. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, she can't walk in heels.
I'm 24 and I'm from Los Angeles.
Alexis can't walk in heels, y'all.
You are gonna see me.
Oh. You just can't even walk in heels. And she gonna tell this girl, she gonna tell the black girl of all the girls, honey, the next time you see your man, he gonna be at the bonfire with me. Bitch, she can't even walk in heels.
I'm a good Italian boy. Wants to show you what these hands can do.
Oh. I know how I feel about my Italians. Ooh.
My God. Speak up, bro. Say it with your chest. Can't hear you, you too. That's over with your girl, not you, bro. Thank you, singles. You can head out, and we will see you soon, okay?
Oh my God.
They are shook. Good night, guys.
Oh, they shook. Oh, fine ass is shook, ain't he?
And I do think it's super important. Like,
Now you mad. Now you mad. Now see.
after seeing the singles come out,
Be careful what you wish for, Beverly. Be careful what you wish for, Trick.
was this the right choice?
You was talking about your man, talking about, oh, he ain't this, he ain't that. I'ma go there and try to discover what I want to discover. And now you spooked. You spooked because somebody else want him. That's the problem. Somebody else want him. This fitting to be good. This fitting to be good. This fitting to be good. As you can see, I was gagged the whole episode. I was gagged. So stay tuned. I'm going to attempt, provided I don't look too crazy, I'm going to attempt to continue to give you a video of me watching the program. Some programs I'm not, that I'm going to watch, only because, like, stuff that I'm going to review next are going to be The Black Messiah, which I'm so excited to watch, but I also feel like I'm going to be crying, and the Billie Holiday versus the United States. I'm also going to be reviewing that, and Little Things. I'm going to be reviewing that. Anyway, as my producer would say, I've probably gone on long enough. I love you so much. Please, 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 please do not forget to hit that like button. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that notifications button. And do not forget to watch Temptation Island, Temptation Island, Temptation Island on USA. And don't forget to listen to my podcast, Listen Here, with my Ethel Matthew Bruegge. Again, thank you for watching. I love you.